Hi friends, hope you all are fine. In this video you will see Old Jeans Recycling Craft. Old Jeans Recycling Craft is where creativity meets responsibility and imagination transforms what was once forgotten into something meaningful and beautiful. A pair of old jeans may seem worn, faded or outdated, but within its strong denim fibers lies endless creative potential. Recycling denim is not just a craft, it is a thoughtful process of renewal where every stitch tells the story of sustainability, patience, and artistic vision. Denim is one of the most resilient fabrics in the world. Even after years of use, it retains its strength, texture, and character. Through recycling, old jeans are carefully reconstructed, allowing each part to shine in a new form. The legs become panels for patchwork art, the pockets turn into clever storage solutions, and the waistbands evolve into sturdy handles or decorative borders. The original stitching, faded washes, and natural wear marks add authenticity and charm that no new fabric can replicate. Old Jeans Recycling Craft offers limitless creative freedom. Denim strips can be braided, woven, or layered to create rugs, baskets, wall decor, and table accessories. Patchwork designs emerge when different shades of blue are combined, creating visually rich patterns that feel both modern and nostalgic. Raw edges brings a rustic beauty, while neat seams offer structure and durability. Each project becomes a balance between art and function. This craft also allows beautiful customization. Denim can be paired with embroidery, hand quilting, crochet lace, fabric flowers, pearls, wooden buttons, metal charms, or recycled zippers. These small details elevate simple denim into statement pieces, from handbags and cushion covers to plant holders, organizers, and lampshades. Recycled jeans crafts bring warmth and personality into every corner of the home. Beyond creativity, old jeans recycling craft carries a powerful environment message. Denim manufacturing consumes vast amounts of water and energy, making textile waste a serious global issue. So I really hope that you will like all the ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.